Is that the,
Yeah, so this is a test one, not with my headset, but with the one in the helicopter to see if we can hear what we're talking about while we're doing this video. Right now we're heading over to Cedar Key, to the restaurant, to go hang out for a little bit. We're taking the scenic route, as you can see.
I want to pull up to the restaurant.
Too bad we don't have pontoons, huh?
Huh?
Pontoons would be sick.
I think those things over there, that's wildlife refuge.
Yeah?
I think you're not supposed to go in there.
Okay. Well, yeah, it'll tell you over here if not, but it doesn't say anything. It's beautiful out here.
And it's dead calm down here.
I know. I gotta get the gimbal so it'll stay stable. Right now it's just shaking around a lot, but that's okay. We're just kind of testing the audio to see if it works okay.
I'm going to go at these people at the boat and then see the dolphins?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know if I got them, but... Is that the restaurant right there?
Yeah. With that blue rail?
That's nice. Watch out, you blow that kayaker over.
I don't see no airplanes.
No, and I don't hear them either.
See what the windsock says here. It's right here at the end of the runway. Here.
Cedar Key traffic, turbulence 156.3, 1 mil coming.
Pretty much out of the east.
Yep.
go. Nice.